this is very sad to witness 57 people who are now reported in terms of the report we received this morning. 57 is not just a figure. These are human bodies, some of whom were breadwinners, and some of whom were the only children in their families. Now, we said we must be a government that is present to people. That is why we decided to come down from yesterday to be here today and tomorrow. The first thing that we are going to do is to visit those families we can be able to visit, but also to ensure that we visit the areas that were affected, because as COGTA, we need to intervene under disaster grants allocation. When we meet in the afternoon after lunch in a briefing, I will announce a date on which I'm coming back to intervene in terms of grants on the infrastructure that was affected. But the message that I want to convey to our people, the whole area where we are standing, all the houses were flooded. These people are on a river bank, and this is a floodplain area. So now, the government, we must take a tough stance that everyone who is living on a floodplain must be removed. And we will need the cooperation of our people, because climate change is a reality now. Next week, we might experience similar floods in the same area, and we might lose more people. So now this must be a countrywide decision to ensure that as a government we take a hard stance, because these people were not allocated here by the municipalities, who should have considered the area where they are allocating people, and people decided to build on their own.